Welcome to your daily motivation and inspiration with Dan. How your thoughts are connected to your future. Do you believe that your thoughts are somehow connected to your future? Do you believe that your thoughts can somehow create your reality, that they're connected to your reality? Do you have a vision for your future? Now, these are questions that we need to ask ourselves because there's a lot of research that shows and proves that we are creating our future through our thoughts. Here's the thing. If you have 60 to 70,000 thoughts a day, and most of us do, those thoughts are much the same. 90% of them roughly are the same. So here's the thing. You have the same thoughts every day. They create the same behaviors. Those behaviors create your personality, create your identity, and those identities create your emotions, and then those emotions cause you to have more thoughts. And if you have the same thoughts every single day, and most of us do, about 90% of those thoughts, then your life is going to be a reflection of your past. It's not going to be your future. So the key is to realize that what you're thinking is what you're becoming. And whether you study the Bible or whether you study science or anything in history whatsoever, the evidence is that we are becoming what we think about. And we need to know that. So do you believe that? Because the key here is to become consciously aware of your unconscious thoughts. It's to become aware of your emotions. And once you become aware of your emotions, then you know what you can do about them. Then you realize them and recognize them, and then you can have a different set of thoughts, or you can think differently about a situation. So if I didn't start thinking differently and doing different things when I met my mentor, Bob Proctor, then I wouldn't be here today. I'd still be in a job somewhere doing work that wasn't very satisfying. And I probably wouldn't be happy with my family, and I would be upset coming home, and I'd be exhausted and de-energized and disenchanted, which I was. But because I became aware, I needed to get out. But you know what? I wasn't so aware. I wasn't that aware that I could just leave. I got fired. And that was the best thing that could have happened. The very best thing. I got fired, first time in my life, because I'm always first hired, last fired, and I got fired. And because of that, today I can do what I love. I can write, I can teach, I can coach. And so, like I was saying, your thoughts are becoming your reality. They're becoming your personal reality. And you can change that just by becoming aware of your emotions. You've heard the words emotional intelligence. That's what this is. It's about becoming aware of your emotions because your emotions are driving your life. And if you can become aware of them and then start thinking differently and just write down the emotions you had. And oftentimes they're not great emotions, they're not good emotions, because we have 4 of them. We have sadness, anger, fear, and disgust. Those are all 4 emotions that don't make us feel good. And then we have 1, joy, that does make us feel good. So catch yourself, realize what emotions you're putting out, what emotions you're feeling, and then seek to change them just through your thoughts, just through your thinking. Write it down, think about it, and if you want to go an extra step further for bonus points, write down your commitment, what you're going to commit to do to change those emotions, to change those thoughts, to change the way you look at things. If you're not watching this video on my YouTube channel, head over there and check it out, because I have awesome videos for you. Or if you're already here, subscribe and like. And as always, thanks for watching, and I'll see you on my next video.